After 1977, Thomas Gilbert on his own made a number of independent efforts to try to get to the bottom of this, to try to reveal the nature of this reinvestigation, to bring it to the court's attention so someone would do something about this. But he didn't know the nature of the reinvestigation. All he knew is that it occurred. And that's because at the end of the reinvestigation, he was not given all that information. It remained at the state attorney's office. He had filed a number of post-conviction motions trying to get the court to take stock of information that he thought might exist. But the courts continually said that you don't have this information in order to prove that these other people exculpated you and that these other people proved that this guy Alan Hicks committed the crime. So he just languished in prison. In fact, he had tried on a number of occasions to order the state attorney's file to get access to this evidence of this reinvestigation that would prove his innocence. But all he did was get letters back saying, well, it's going to cost thousands of dollars. And he was a poor individual with no counsel, with no investigator, with no resources, who was incarcerated for his life, who didn't have thousands of dollars to pay for the pieces of paper that were going to be the key to proving his innocence. And so he just languished in prison, and it wasn't until Innocence Project of Florida got involved that we were able to get those records and begin to understand more about what happened in this case.